Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the India International Film Festival of Boston 2020 that highlights diversity through films. This is our third consecutive year bringing to you the most happening film festival in the region. And today, I have with me none other than Razia Mashkoor, the woman behind IIFFB. Lovingly called Appa, Razia has transformed the entire entertainment industry in Boston. As I talk to this lovely, dynamic, strong, and powerful woman, a trendsetter, an influencer, a strong pillar of the New England community, a woman who not only dares only to dream, but brings those dreams to reality. I am reminded of a couplet by Majru Sultanpuri Sahab. मैं अकेला ही चला था जाने पे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. Razia ji has spearheaded many initiatives like BDC TV connecting Desis around the world through food, entertainment, Bollywood and Hollywood. Her popular TV show Womanistan about women empowerment is garnering so much attention. A musical show, Mere Geeton Mein Meri Kahaniyan Hain, celebrating the singers of the New England community, an ardent Urdu lover. She's very passionate about organizing cultural and literary events in the greater Boston area. She has a deep understanding of the pulse of the people. There's actually so much more that Razia ji does, which I can't even tell you because of the shortage of time, but we will touch that later. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Razia Mashkoor. Hello, Razia.
Hello, dear. How are you?
All good. It's so great to see you. And again, it's the film festival season. We are so excited.
We are so excited. The team of IIFB is so excited.
Rachiti, tell me first of all, how do you do all this? We all have just 24 hours in a day. How do you manage to squeeze in so much more?
Oh, what to say? I think if you have a passion and whatever you are doing, if you are enjoying that thing, everything will be easy then. So I enjoy Bollywood a lot. I mean, I'm a die-hard fan of Bollywood. Even as you say this, I have only 24 hour. Everybody have 24 hour, but in 24 hour, 3 hours every day, I just keep for me to watch a movie. Because of passion, because I love Bollywood, so things getting easy to me to do whatever I am doing. I enjoy a lot.
I will follow that path. There's a lot to learn from you, Razia, especially time management skills. Thank you. Thank you.
Sure, anyway.
I'll take those lessons from you later. But tell me, how did you conceptualize IIFFP? And tell me a little bit more about the journey of IIFP for you.
Okay, so in 2008, I started a very small website which is called Boston Desi Connection, and under that, in with that website, I just sharing the events going on around us in New England area and just give promotion to them. But eventually, in 2018, people loved the idea there were many two other social media in Boston, but you know people like noise and I'm a noiser. So I just started that and people just picked up as says overnight things happen. And in 2018, 2015, we became a LLC, and we launched it. Proper launching was happened in April 2015. BDC TV, and we made a team. We started our production, and you know the history. But TV is all about timing and presentation. If you lose time in presenting the things, news and whatever you are presenting, then it will kill the concept. And that happened with me or BDC TV, that people doesn't understand the timing of presentation. So that made us, that made us actually kick us, push back. um,
Right.
After that, I was just looking something which give us a boost, give BDC TV a boost. So I'm just, 16, 17, I just kept thinking, what will be go? Should I start my, Bollywood based program, as I did in Madhubala, Ek Ladki Bhigi Bhagi Si,
Right.
Chalte
Right.
Chalte Meena Kumari, या
Wow.
साहिल लुधियानवी पर
Beautiful.
हमने एक प्रोग्राम किया था. So I mean, I don't want to keep the same thing. I am the person who want to do something different all the time. I have a good mind.
I
Sorry,
know you have
it's
some of the
not,
greatest
it's not
ideas
a,
you have.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
a pride, it's a pride. I have a good mind. So I just kept thinking, and suddenly it clicked in my mind, oh, there is no proper film festival, you know. And if I do, so can I do that? So the first question in front was in front of me is, can I do that? Says, why not? Why not? If I can do BDC, I can do this. I already did so many programs. I was on a stage since 2007, so I can do it. So when I started sharing this concept with my close friends, one of my friends said, Razia, again, you are going to buy the elephant. It's easy to buy the elephant, but it's not easy to keep him and feed him. It's okay, but let's try. I mean, मैं हमेशा कोशिश करती हूँ कि just give a try. I don't fear about any fear. I do not have any fear. If I am fail, I will accept this. I am fail. But fail, I will accept once I will see that I would see that there is no chance to go more further. So I
Wow.
give up my 100% or 200%. Then if I fail, then I will accept this. Okay, fine, I give 200%. I can't do it. I accept my failure. So
Wow.
it was just started. So when people saying, yeah, it's not easy, it's a, everybody loved it, every single person, because they have musical program, they have different kind of shows in Boston, but there will be no glamorous event for TV or that kind of event. So people loved it, and then few friends came to me and says, we are with you, let's do it, whatever happened, we'll see after. And first show was good. I mean, I'm not saying it was excellent, but it was first. So because it was first, we and my team, I mean, I and my team says, no, this is a very, very good start. And now we know our capacity, we can do it even better next year. So next year, you can say luck, you can say there is always, if you do hard work for your dream, at the end it will be paid off. And the same happened last year. You joined me last year,
Yes. Yes.
and you know the journey, what zigzag
I know.
we went through.
We were in
And
this together, and it
I
was
mean,
beautiful.
yeah, I mean, something happened today, happening this, yesterday happening, and we do not have any, big or corporate support.
Right.
Without corporate support, without big, sponsor, it was like beyond my expectation. So, I don't know, but it happened that we booked JFK Library with for opening night. Things coming on the place eventually last year, and then I received Vikas Khanna, Chef Vikas
Yeah.
Khanna's film. And when I saw that film, I made a call to him. I said, Vikas, this is awesome. And I was literally crying because I'm working since my teens for women issues, and I always support women's. So yes, this is unbelievable, man, and it will go opening night. As soon as I finished that movie, I decided it will be my opening movie, and rest the history. Vikas Khanna was there, Nina Gupta sent us the best wishes, and luckily my all five judges selected this the best film of the year of 2020 last year. The news came out through Vikas Khanna and Nina Gupta on their social handle.
Right, right.
And the entire news agencies and newspaper picked that news from there, that Nina Gupta, after Badai Ho, Nina Gupta got another best actress,
Oh,
best actor female for The Last Color. And the news was almost in each big or small newspaper in India and USA and UK. So that gave us even bigger boost. I mean, the bigger visibility in the film festival history outside India.
right,
So
right.
that gave me more courage. That's give me more power to go or keep going with you guys all. So that's how it happened.
Razia, this is such an interesting journey. And you know what? I come back to the same point. It's your passion and your perseverance that I really admire that, huge shout out for that. And thank you for envisioning BDC TV, envisioning IIFFB, and so many other things that you do. So, to keeping this whole climate vibrant. Thank you. So, I know IIFB in 2019 was a stupendous success. We like kind of arrived at that point, but now we are looking at IIFFB 2020, and we are in the middle of a pandemic. And I know as a part of your team that you had some grand plans for 2020, and they have now turned upside down. It's hard. How do you feel about that?
It was hard. I was in the beginning, in once pandemic started, I was so nervous what to do. And I didn't do any promotion this year. I did not do any work on this IIB, because of the last year's visibility, everybody knows, and people were just after our last year shows, people kept messaging me, where do I send our film, and ma'am please see this, my film, ma'am please see my film. Says, oh, hello, it's over, wait, once we will open the date for next year 2020, we will share the link, you will submit your films. But unfortunately what happened, pandemic is arrived, and 2020 so far is very very depressing year for the humankind, for humanity, as not only it's giving us very hard time at every level of our life, but it is also very, it's not good for Bollywood, because we lost a lot of big stars,
Right.
one by one, then another, then another, then another. This is 5 7 people gave, passed away, and that made me even more, sad and nervous. And what do I do? Because Rishi Kapoor, we talked to him and for best for lifetime achievement award, and he said, okay, we will come next year. This year I cannot come in 2019, but 2020 I'll come.
That never
So
happened.
it never happened. And then I was planning to call Irfan Khan, and Irfan Khan left. So I was just depressed very badly, and then very, very unfortunate happened with Sushant Singh Rajput. That killed me somewhere inside. So,
All of us.
okay,
We
all of
have
us, of
been very
course.
saddened by that, by such a young actor's
Well,
demise.
absolutely. And that gave me more, you know, I'm a strong woman, as you said, but
Yes, you are.
it gave me depression, literally. And so many days or weeks I didn't do anything, even not watching movies. I just मेरा दिल जो ना एकदम बहुत उदास था. So, but when I one day it was May, when I see open the film fair where people submit films for our festival. It's just, oh my God, there is 70, 80 films. Oh shit, abhi मैं क्या करूँगी? So then we talk, then let's go it, let's wait until March or something, things going on. And then finally we said, okay, we will go virtual. Whatever films I have, 100 films, my wonderful, awesome, very hardworking, beautiful people of a bunch of judges. They are watching film these days, and tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, they give us, nominations.
I know,
So
yeah.
I'm excited. My team was very excited because finally we are we back in business, and so this is happening right now. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow we have announcement for nominations, and 10 to 18 on OTT, one of OTT platform. I will share the link with the people, or they can go and watch films at very minimum cost, $3 per movie.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
10
And
movies
entire
are
family
there.
can watch
So
it
yeah,
together for $3.
yeah. And then on 17th night in the evening, we will make announcement of winners. And we also holding two panels. One, the Indian history, or Indian history of cinema, COVID and beyond, which is
Wow.
moderated by Priya Samantha and Sunaina Kachru. And it will be on 17th morning, 11:30. And then one another, the Bollywood is on Grill, the fireside chat moderated by me. And with we have a very beautiful, very, very big name from Bollywood who will be our panelists. So we will announce on 10th everything.
Oh,
We are
very
just waiting because we have another big event in community, Hindi Manch ka international
yes, yes.
हिंदी मंच सम्मेलन. तो
Sammelan. Lovely.
10 तक वो खत्म हो जाएगा. Then we will announce our promotion,
That is so
start
great. In
promoting
that
our thing.
community, we actually support each other. There are a couple of
Of
these
course, of course.
events, and we all support each other. Very excited and looking forward to the Hindi Manch. So,
Sure.
Razia ji, tell me something.
Mm.
Actually, I want to tell all the viewers who are watching it that IIFFB has turned adversity into opportunity, like you said.
Yes.
Please tell us, for our viewers, what is now your plan, like going forward for IIFFB?
So, Sugandha, as you know that these independent films, they do not have any platform to showcase their talent.
Right.
They have talents. They have best actors, directors, music directors, actors, actresses,
Right.
writers. Beautiful films, beautiful films. Last year, my judges they had almost 3-4 sitting to discuss which will we go with the final count.
Right.
It was hard time. They have very hard time because they don't understand which one is the best one. Because last year super films. This year even, you know,
As good.
beautiful film as usual.
Yeah.
But our judges are so hardworking. They are always picked the best.
Right. Right.
Pick the best. So because we have talent, because we have the way how to display our our ups and downs and everything happening our lives. So but they don't have platform like Hollywood has, like Bollywood has it. So I'm trying to make a platform where this year we have 11 countries,
Wow. I think
15 languages.
this will inspire people to actually get more creative. When you know there is something, some place where you can showcase your talent, this is huge to provide a platform. I am an artist, and and all of us here in the community, if there is no one to watch us, no one to admire or tell us about it, the talent seems wasted.
Yep.
So this is great. And even if you want to ever stop, no one is going to let you stop.
No,
Radhika.
don't go. Don't stop. Keep going.
Keep going.
So
Yeah.
very cool. So I'm trying to make a one OTT platform for them. So this is the beginning. अभी मंजिल दूर है.
मंजिल दूर है, लेकिन ये जो आपकी जर्नी है, ये बड़ी एक्साइटिंग है. The
बहुत
journey
अच्छा.
itself is so exciting. So tell me, what should our viewers be looking for? What is interesting for them?
Viewers, okay, so let me open the box a little bit.
And yeah, tell us about the schedule also.
This year we were planned to give lifetime achievement award. Last year we gave to Subhash Ghai Sahab. This year we give lifetime achievement award Om Puri Sahab. He
Wow.
passed away this year, and
Yeah.
he was a legend and true artist who worked for the soul, who work for very passionately in Bollywood, and they gave us so many very immense character, immense acting. I can't say anything about acting because चिराग को मैं चिराग लेकर कहाँ सूरज के साथ सामने जाऊंगी.
He himself is an
लेकिन
institution for acting.
he was an institution. Today I talked to his wife, Nandita Puri, and
Yes.
she's excited. So we add a little bit in our festival this year on 18th evening. Nandita, Anant Mahadevan,
Wow.
and Sushant Singh will go air and talk about Om Puri's life and all work that he did in for us, and then we will announce the lifetime achievement award. It was I'm look at this, I have a goosebump. Believe me, in my family or my husband family, no one coming from Bollywood, no one, dur tak koi nahi. And I was talking today with some people whom I connected with another friends, and I was thinking कि honesty, hardworking, passionately, and with your clean intention.
Right.
This will be clean, that will be clean.
Right.
If these two things are clean in you, believe me, you can even चांद को पकड़ सकते हो.
Bharat,
Believe me.
Thank you for saying
क्योंकि
that.
मैं जिन ओम पुरी को हम ख्वाब मतलब फिल्मों में देखकर बड़े हुए हैं.
Yeah.
And I'm talking with his wife and giving the award of Om Puri is just not the dream come true. No, it's beyond that thing.
Beyond, absolutely.
It's beyond, because I do not have, my background is Urdu. My
Right.
background, my
You're
entire education is in Urdu.
Mm-hmm.
You know, yes, I love watching movie. मेरे पापा पसंद करते थे. My mom listening Bollywood song, but it's happening in every household in India. It's not
But you're calling,
new.
Razia, and somehow through you, I am also now connected with films. The entire team is, and thank you for that.
Oh, anytime. So if you have passion and clean heart, clean intention, do not do bad for anybody.
Yes,
Even
that's a great thought.
if they are doing, just leave on, just move on, just move on. Yes, sometime I felt very bad, and I got angry so many times, but it's a human nature. अभी आप चींटी के पैर पर भी जबरदस्ती पैर रखोगे तो वो भी पलट के काट लेगी यार, मैं तो फिर भी इंसान हूँ. बट
Right.
वन थिंग इज दिस क्लीन, दिस क्लीन, मैं इसको गंदा नहीं करती,
And
होने
let
नहीं
it
देती,
go. Or
इसको
let
गंदा
go.
नहीं होने देती.
Right,
यहाँ
right.
से जो लफ्ज निकल गया गया, खत्म हो गई बात, यू नो.
जी, बहुत
बट
खूब, बहुत खूब.
तो वो चीज आपको क्लियर पाथ दिखाती है. You can see your way clearly. Oh, okay, this one, okay, fine. If so many people left me, so many people push me down as I'm not going to, I'm not, you can't do anything. People told me in front of me, in on my face, you can't do it. How can you do that? Says, why not? If you think only English speakers are intelligent, no, there are so many stupid English speaking people. Please,
You're so right. You're so
please.
right. And this interview also we
Alex,
are doing in English because we want that many people should be able to listen to it and understand, because we have a huge
I
international.
hope people listen my English.
No, you are doing amazing, Razia ji, and the knowledge nuggets that you are sharing, I'm going to pass on to my daughters, right?
So
Clean heart and
please,
clean mind, you
girls.
can achieve everything. So whenever I and all of you viewers are in doubt, just remember that.
एक चेयर थमली आना चाहिए. हर कोई गुजरता था बहुत बच के उधर से. हर कोई गुजरता था बहुत बच के उधर से. आईना लिए राह में एक शख्स खड़ा था.
अच्छा, वाह.
क्योंकि जब आप गलत करते हो ना, तो जब लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, somebody is telling a lie, you know, या gossiper. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 18 gossiper बैठे हैं, they will enjoy their talk, their gathering. But if I am not gossiper, I cannot sit there, मेरे को उससे उलझन होगी. I am not that kind of person. And they also feel uncomfortable talking in front of me. भाई ये नहीं है यार, इसके सामने कहोगे तो ये तो नाराज होगी, तो लोग मेरे सामने बात नहीं करते हैं.
बहुत अच्छा, तो आपको फिर समय मिल जाता है ये सब चीजें करने का.
मिला था, फिर मैंने आपको नहीं टाइम था, और बिकॉज आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन के कॉल उठाया और गॉसिपिंग शुरू कर दी किसी के साथ इसके साथ. आई वांट टू वर्क, आई वांट, सी आई एम 53 52 years old, right?
Young.
Yeah, of course. But you know, नॉर्मली 670 80s में विमेंस जा रही हैं, तो 10-12 साल रह गए मेरी लाइफ के, और मैं आई स्पेंड माई लाइफ ऑन माई कंडीशंस all the way. My parents never stop me for doing anything I want to. My husband, my in-laws. So I live my life on my condition, and I am pretty much try to. मेरे हस्बैंड हमेशा कहते थे कि कोई ऐसा है दुनिया में जिससे तुम डरती हो. टेल, या क्योंकि मेरे को ये अपना क्लीन रखना है, यहाँ मुझे कोई बोझ नहीं डालना है।
Right.
और ये क्लीन रखने के लिए आपको जो भी अलमाइटी को आप फॉलो करते हो, भगवान को, अल्लाह को, गॉड को, जो भी, अगर आप ये कहो कि मैं ये काम कर रहा हूं और इसमें वो नाराज नहीं हो, मेरे हस्बैंड नाराज नहीं हो, मेरा बेटा नाराज नहीं हो, मेरे बाप नाराज नहीं हो, आई डू नॉट केयर व्हाट पीपल आर सेइंग, because eventually after we believe in afterlife, but even at the end of a story, you have to have, when you go to from this world somewhere, you only carry your deeds.
So true, so true.
So I just follow that.
So Razia ji, एक बात बताइए, how can we watch the festival? Let's tell the audience so there is no confusion. They know where to go on 17th, 18th and 19th. Let's share that.
So 16, 17, 18.
Mhm.
And they just follow on event page of IIFB. They will have every single detail there from 10th to 18.
10 to
Everything. So India International Film Festival of Boston or IIFFB,
Right.
they will have every single thing there.
So who is not on Facebook? वो कैसे करें?
So they can, if they have, they must have computer, internet.
They can Google the website.
Google कर
Everything
सकते
is
हैं,
on the
or they can go on iiffb.org.
Perfect.
They can see films
Yes.
and links and everything. Yep.
Yes. So, Razia ji, I wanted to take this moment to add that a very dedicated panel of judges has been working hard, weighing all the factors to choose the films, and it is a huge responsibility. A big shout out for them. They have been working so hard. The entire IAFFB team has been working for so many months now to bring the festival to our viewers, to celebrate art of movie making and to acknowledge the hard work of so many talented people. Events like these are months and months of planning and hard work. And I really hope that all of you people who are listening to this interview do join us at the film festival, make it an even bigger success than last year. Join us, watch us, and get inspired and send us your entries next year for sure. Is there any last message that you would want to say to the audience, Razia ji, from you?
Okay, so I would say please support independent films, independent director, actors, writers, because they are not getting money from anywhere. They put their heart and soul to make a movie on cause, on topics. They chose topics, different, field or different languages. They are telling their stories of their community. So if you want to know the other communities, just go and watch the independent films, and please support it. Support all the languages, independent films. Bollywood and Hollywood, they are making in millions,
Right.
but they do not even they put money out of their pocket, and in return, zero.
Right.
But at least people who love, there are plenty of people who are working with the cause. So their movies they are making are on the cause. So go watch them, buy them, or support in any way possible. You can.
That's true, Razia ji. I mean, otherwise the creativity will get killed. People will stop making movies. So let's all make it even more a bigger success. Let's all watch IIFFP 2020. Thank you so much, Razia ji, for
Thank you
this
so much for having me.
chat. I already feel so inspired by you.